Hello students, welcome to M Square Maths Mantra. So basically it's our lecture 4 of our course number theory in which I am providing you proper notes, question practice so that you can score good in IIT exam, CSIR NET, GATE and other competitive exams. Basically my name is Ayush Gupta. I am gold medalist from NIT Jaipur in MSc Mathematics. Okay, so let's start our lecture 4. And in this lecture, we are going to cover the topics division algorithm and extended division algorithm. So write on the first heading, division algorithm. Division algorithm. Okay. So write down the definition of division algorithm. Let a comma b belongs to z and b greater than 0. Means a b हमारे पास इंटीजर से आ रहे हैं और b हमारे पास पॉजिटिव नंबर है. Then there exist uniquely, इस सिंबल का मतलब होता है there exist uniquely quotient, जिसको हम स्मॉल q से डिनोट करते हैं, एंड रिमाइंडर, जिसे हम स्मॉल r से डिनोट करते हैं, in z such that a is equals to bq plus r, where r is equals to 0 or r is greater than 0 and less than b. Okay. सो बेसिकली डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम क्या कहता है कि अगर हमारे पास कोई दो इंटीजर्स हैं a एंड b, जहां पर b एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, देन इन दिस केस देयर एग्जिस्ट यूनिकली क्वोशिएंट एंड रिमाइंडर सच दैट कि मैं लिख सकता हूं a इज इक्वल्स टू बी क्यू प्लस आर, वेयर r या तो r हमारे पास जीरो होगा या फिर जीरो और b के बीच में कोई नंबर होगा. मीन्स रिमाइंडर या तो हमारे पास जीरो मिलेगा या फिर जीरो से b के बीच का कोई नंबर मिलेगा. सो लेट्स do the questions of this topic. Okay, write on the question number 1. इसमें लिखिए let a is equals to 25 and b is equals to 4. Then find quotient and remainder if a divides, or write down a divide by b. Okay. Solution. तो यहाँ पे बिकॉज बाई डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम वी नो दैट कि अगर हमारे पास b एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, then in this case we can use a is equals to bq plus r. So we can write down here 25 is equals to 4q plus r. So definitely the quotient will be here 6 and the remainder will be 1, because we can write over here this 4 into 6 plus 1, which is equals to 24 plus 1, which means 25. So our quotient will be 6 and remainder will be r, and where r is definitely greater than 0 and less than b, and we can say that 1 is greater than 0 and less than 4. So in this way we can find our quotient and remainder with the help of division algorithm. For example, एक और example देखते हैं इसका. Right now the question number 2. Question number 2. If a is equals to 86 and b is equals to 4, then find q and r. So in this case we can see that b is equals to 4 is greater than 0, so we can use our division algorithm. So 86 can be written as 4 into q plus r. So if we divide 86 by 4, then what we get here, the quotient will be 2 and 1 and the remainder will be 2, and clearly this 2 remainder will be greater than 0 and less than 4. So by division algorithm, we can find the values of remainder and quotient. Okay, so write on the next heading, extended division algorithm. Extended division algorithm. So basically हमें एक्सटेंडेड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम की यूज ही क्यों हुई, मीन्स हमें इसकी क्या आवश्यकता पड़ गई जबकि हमारे पास डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम था. सो फॉर एग्जांपल कि अगर मैं इन दोनों क्वेश्चंस में देखूं तो इन दोनों ही क्वेश्चंस में हमारे पास जो बी आ रहा है वो ग्रेटर देन 0 है. बट अगर मैं कहूं कि अगर मेरे पास जो बी है वो एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर आ जाए तब हम क्या करेंगे, तब वहां पे हमारे पास डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम काम नहीं आता है. उस केस में हम लोग यूज करते हैं एक्सटेंडेड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. ओके, राइट ऑन द डेफिनेशन. इसमें लिखिए, लेट ए कॉमा बी बिलोंग्स टू जेड. ए बी हमारे पास कोई दो इंटीजर्स हैं एंड बी इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू जीरो, विच मीन्स बी कैन बी पॉजिटिव and b can be negative also. So in this case, then there exist uniquely q and r such that a is equals to bq plus r, where r is greater than 0 and less than mod b. Okay, so write on the question based upon this. Question number 1 is, let a is equals to 15 हमने ले लिया and b is equals to -2, which is a negative integer. Then find quotient and remainder. Okay, solution. देखिए, so in this case we can see that b is equals to -2, which is less than 0. So because b is negative, so we'll use our extended division algorithm. So we can write a is equals to bq plus r. So in this case, basically 15 is equals to -2 times q plus r. So we can write over here that 15 is equals to -2. So -2 में मैं क्या multiply करूँ? So for example, if I multiplied -7, so it becomes 14 and plus 1. So from here, q is equals to -7 and r is equals to 1. And definitely we can say that this r is equals to 1 is greater than 0 and less than mod -2, which means that 1 is greater than 0 and less than 2. So by extended division algorithm, we can find the values of quotient and remainder when our integer b is negative. Okay, so write down one question as a homework and tell me the answer in comment box. Okay, this is the homework question I'm giving. If a is equals to -50 and b is equals to -2, then find q and r. Okay, so try this question and give me the answer in comment box. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm making small lectures so that I can cover all your topics, and these are very basic topics, that's why I'm covering it very basic. But जैसे जैसे हम आगे lectures में जाएंगे तो हम PYQ questions and जितने भी हमारे important questions हैं जो कि हमारे exam point of view से important हैं, वो सब भी cover करेंगे. Thank you.